What's up, sisters? Happy New Year's. I'm finally trying out the passion twist. I grabbed some hair by Zuri, the water wave braid hair in the color Ombre 4/blonde. I use about a little over 3 packs, so I will grab 4 because I'm going pretty thick with mine. So I use 2 strands. My hair is washed and moisturized. I'm locking in that moisture with James Carter Nourish and Shine Butter. And I'm also using Cream of Nature Argan Oil Snot to control some of the frizz while I twist my hair. You're gonna need alligator clips and a rat tail comb if you're into, clean parting. Make sure your hair is detangled. My hair is pretty much dry a little bit. It'll dry because this takes all day. It'll end up drying throughout the day. I usually start in the back. If you want to know how many I have in my hair, they're going to be pretty thick, so I say about 23 in the back, 6 on each side of my head, the temple part, and 6 at the crown. So you do the math. This is going to be simple and easy. I'm showing only one. The invisible method, you'll be able to find a tutorial everywhere. But just to show you how I do it, I'm going to do a part down the middle. I'm going to clip all the other hair, free hair away. I'm going to apply James Carter first, butter to lock in moisture, and then I'm going to go over that with the Argan Oil Snot. Apply that root to tip. Make sure you detangle if you have any tangles, and then I'm just going to split that strand into 2 even pieces. And then I'm going to take 2 strands of the crocheted hair. Make sure you do like a little hook of them, making them uneven if you want to elongate the hair. Make it longer than what it actually comes in the pack. So I take 2 strands, cross one over the other, and you should have something similar to this to get that uneven, and the end shouldn't be so blunt when you twist them. So you're going to take the middle part of those strands and apply that directly in between your 2 strands, and keep the hair to the root of your scalp, if that makes sense. And then you're going to twist one side. This is my left side, and I'm twisting backwards, and I'm intertwining my hair with interlocking my hair with the crocheted hair, and I'm twisting backwards, and I'm holding that to my scalp. And then while I hold that in place, I'm going to go to the right side, and I'm going to twist forward. As you can see, my hand motion, I'm twisting forward, and once I feel comfortable and I feel like it's secured, I'm going to, I think it's left over right I'm doing. Yeah, left over right. Depends on how you twist and how you're comfortable with it. You can do it either way. And once I get down far enough, I take an alligator clamp and clamp my root, so while I'm twisting, it doesn't get too tight and hurt my scalp. So this prevents it from twisting my hair as I'm twisting down, or twisting my scalp. So yeah, I twist all the way to the end. I don't burn the ends. I just go all the way to the tip. And the beauty of the passion twist is with this hair, it curls automatically at the end, and it's a little frizzy, but not too frizzy. And I don't apply mousse or anything like that. But yeah, that's how I do my passion twist. It was my first time, so that's just how I did it. Not sure if I'll do it again because it just took all day, and with 2 girls, 2 babies, it's a lot. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know I was gonna put some makeup on. I usually wear my hair up in a crown when I usually wear twists like this, because it's just more comfortable than wearing it down. But I really like them. I'm enjoying them. I plan on probably keeping them in for a week, maybe 2, depends on how it lasts. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and comment below for any requests or videos that you may want to see in the future. Thanks for watching. Peace out, sisters.